Have you ever walked into a kitchen and felt like you've stepped forward in time? Well, hold on to your aprons because the future of kitchen design is unfolding before our very eyes. In 2024, the heart of the home is getting a serious makeover, particularly when it comes to cabinetry. Just a few years back, minimalism ruled the roost. Sleek, handleless cabinets with monochromatic color schemes were the order of the day. Fast forward to 2024, and we're seeing a bold shift. It's out with the old and in with the new, or should we say the nuanced. The latest trend-making waves is the rise of textured cabinets. Think wood grain patterns that invite touch or embossed surfaces that play with light and shadow. This tactile approach adds a layer of depth and character that was often missing in the stark setups of yesteryear. Color, too, has taken a dramatic turn. While past years favored whites and grays, 2024 introduces a palette of deep blues, greens, and even daring tones like aubergine. These colors don't just fill a room, they tell a story, creating atmospheres ranging from serene to stately. Functionality merges with fashion in the form of versatile cabinetry. The once popular fixed shelves have made way for adjustable systems, allowing homeowners to customize their storage space on the fly. Why settle for static when you can adapt and evolve? Another intriguing development is the integration of technology. Cabinets in 2024 aren't just storage solutions, they're smart hubs equipped with built-in charging stations, tablet holders, and under-cabinet lighting systems that respond to voice commands. Cooking has never been more connected. So, as we take a step back, what do these changes tell us about the future of kitchen design? It's clear that personalization stands at the forefront. Today's kitchens are not just about style or substance alone, but a blend of both, tailored to the unique needs and tastes of the individual. With these trends, kitchens are not only spaces of culinary creation, but also showcases of personal expression and technological integration. As we continue to innovate, who knows what the kitchen of tomorrow will look like? One thing is certain, it will be anything but ordinary.